In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an Amazon ads budget on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. Now, whether you're new to Kindle Direct Publishing or just looking to optimize your advertising approach, understanding how to efficiently set up an ad budget is crucial for maximizing your book's exposure and controlling costs. First, let's dive into the process by opening up the ad campaign setup on your KDP account. This initial step is essential as it sets the stage for managing your advertising efforts. By navigating to this section, you're going to access all the necessary tools for configuring your ads. Make sure you are logged into your account and have your book details ready, since you'll need them handy to proceed smoothly. Once you're in the ad campaign section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice several options and settings, all designed to customize your advertising strategy effectively. Next, it's time to enter your daily budget. This is a critical component because it determines how much you're willing to spend on ads for your book each day. By setting a budget, you ensure that you don't accidentally overspend while still getting the reach you desire. Consider starting with a modest budget, something you're comfortable with and can afford while still being effective enough to reach potential readers. Remember, your budget can always be adjusted later based on performance and results. It's essential to find a balance here between attracting enough clicks and keeping your expenditure in check. The third step involves adjusting your bids if needed. Bidding is a vital part of Amazon advertising because it influences your ads' placement and competitiveness. If your bids are too low, your ads might not be gaining visibility. But if they're too high, you could exhaust your budget quickly. Take some time to analyze your campaign's performance. If needed, tweak your bids to ensure you're not missing out on visibility or paying more than necessary. It might take a few trials to find the right bidding balance, and that's perfectly normal. Experimentation is key, so don't shy away from making those adjustments until you find what works best for your marketing goals. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. Once you've entered your daily budget and adjusted your bids, it's critical to save these configurations to ensure everything is in place. This step is straightforward, but immensely important. Nothing is worse than spending time getting your settings just right, only to lose them. Double-check everything before hitting that save button, ensuring your campaign is set up just as you want it. With these steps, you've now successfully set up an Amazon ads budget on KDP. Remember that effective advertising requires monitoring and adjustments along the way. Keep an eye on your campaign's progress, make tweaks as needed, and you'll be on your way to reaching more readers with your published work. Happy publishing and best of luck.